Okay, Christmas or Thanksgiving one is over and you've ate that turkey and you've got the turkey carcass. What are you going to do with it? You're going to freeze it. Put it in the freezer and freeze it until you're ready to make turkey soup, okay? Turkey carcass soup. Now, I've already done this with our turkey, so I have here a chicken carcass, and I'm going to do the same thing with it. We're going to put that into the crock pot, and I'm going to add 6 cups of chicken broth, and we're going to cook it on high for 4 hours. Okay, our 4 hours is up. I have deboned the chicken, and let me tell you, that was a lot of work to get all the bones out of there. It's much easier with turkey, but I'm hoping that it'll taste just as good. Here I have 4 stalks of celery that I've chopped up, 1 medium onion, and 2 carrots. And I'm just going to put those in there. You know, that's the beginning of any soup almost right there. I'm going to add a bay leaf. Let's see, a little kosher salt, a teaspoon of kosher salt. I cannot pour good with my left hand. Half a teaspoon of pepper. Two teaspoons of minced garlic. Half a teaspoon of rosemary. And half a teaspoon of thyme. And half a cup of long grain white rice. I'm just going to stir that in a little bit. Put the lid back on it, and we're going to cook this anywhere from 25 to 30 minutes. I'm looking for the rice to become tender. Okay, our time is up on our soup. I'm going to grab that little bay leaf, get it out of there. Look at that. Don't that look good? Get us a nice big helping here in our bowl. Look at that. Turkey carcass soup, even though we made it with chicken this time. Give it a try. I think you'll like it.